In this video, we will plot pressure coefficient versus x over L and compare it with experimental results. For that, we will create an isosurface. You can do it by simply going to surface option here and select isosurface from this drop-down menu. Let's give an appropriate name to this isosurface. Under surface of constant, we will select mesh. Under mesh, we will select z coordinate. Here, we will plot polyline across the wing geometry. Wing geometry means trailing and leading faces plus middle faces. Let's select both of them. We want this ISO value as -0.2. That's why we will set -0.2 here. Now you should select compute and then create. As I have already created a polyline for you, I will simply close it, but you should do that thing. Now we will create a name section, a name expression. Double click on name expression, hit new. Let's give a name to this name expression. As I've already created a name expression for you, I am getting this error, so I'll simply make it L1. Now, you should type something similar to this. Here, polyline is your isosurface name, so make sure you are entering correct name here. Now, you should select OK, but as I've already created it, I will simply cancel it. As you can see, you will find your name expression has been successfully created here. Now let's close it. Now we will plot pressure coefficient contour. For that we will go to XY plot, hit new. We won't be having any position on x-axis, that's why we will deselect it. We won't require any node values here, that's why we will deselect it as well. On y-axis we will be plotting pressure and pressure coefficient. On x-axis, we will be having name expression. The name of the expression is x over L. Now, we want it across the polyline which we created. Basically, this is the isosurface which we created. Hit save plot. As you can see, our plot has been successfully created here. Now, you should select write to file option. Then go to write. Now you should simply give an appropriate name to this. Now you should go to the place where you want to select it and hit open and select either of the folder. Hit OK and then hit OK. Now your file has been written there. You should simply open that file and plot those datas into the Excel, and you can download the experimental data from the website and you can compare both of them there.